Hello guys, welcome to the lesson on the Inupiaq numeral system. I would like to examine this system a little bit with you to see how it is the same and different from the system we normally use. First of all, the Inupiaq numeral system comes from the region of northern Alaska, folks indigenous to that region. Let's take a look first at the numeral system that was created or designed to go along with the numeral system that they had in place for many years. But the written system that I'm going to show you came about as a student project, but it's very interesting to see how it matches up with what they had done. So first of all, let's take a look at it. On this document, Inupiaq region, making the old way count, you can see the digits 0, looks like a downward sort of fish symbol, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I may ask you to pause the video to see if you can find a pattern. Moving on, let's take a look. 0 through 9 is now listed. Again, pause the video, see if you can find a pattern. But there's more. All the way up to the digit 19 there at the bottom. So there is a complete list of all of the digits for the Inupiaq numeral system. There are no other digits. When I say digits, I'm referring to this symbol, the numerical symbol. Like we have 10 digits, 0 through 9. They have 20 digits, 0 through 19. So if you haven't yet found the pattern, go ahead and pause and find the pattern before I show you. Now, let's go and take a look at how this works. So a symbol for 0, anything would work, but they're using this symbol there for 0. You can write it a little bit neater. I'm using a whiteboard. And then the other digits are just made up from making the number of marks equivalent to the numeral. If you go back and look at the system for a second, you can kind of see that that's true. So 1 is 1 stroke. 2 is 1, 2 strokes. 3 is 1, 2, 3 strokes. 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4 strokes. And so if you were to continue that, of course, you would have so many strokes, it would be really hard to recognize the symbol. So on the next line, they have a more horizontal stroke, not completely horizontal, but slightly sloping. That would be their 5, okay? So 5 would look like this, 5, and then 5 and 1 more, 5, 1 more, 6, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can kind of see how that works. Once you get to 10, you can make 2 of the mostly horizontal strokes. Now, the difference is you don't want to do that, 10, and here's why. It won't work with the digits to write them from left to right. Instead, you want to write it like this, 5, 10, then 5, 10, 11, 5, 10, 11, 12, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. All right, and this goes all the way down to what we have at the very bottom, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. My question would be, if this is 19, right, that's Inupiaq for 19, what would be the symbol for 20 or set of symbols for 20? How would you write 20? How would you write 21? How would you write 22, 23, and so on? And that's something I'm going to have you ponder.